This is probably gonna be the shortest video we have on this YouTube channel for this Halloween season. But nevertheless, it is loads of fun to create. So if you want to know how to create a goth makeup like this one, please keep watching because we will show you step by step in this video. So creating this makeup is easy enough. Eva just put in her black sclera lenses and then painted the entire face and neck white. And to create this white, she used the white makeup by Diamond FX. Onto the black face paint, also by Diamond FX, to make lovely black eyes. And just stipple some of that black on the mouth as well. Black star blend to create the shadow under the cheekbone, and the same black powder is used to intensify the shadow that Eva just put on that eye with the water-based face paint. A bit of white highlights, and of course a shadow in the neck and on the temples as well. And with a lovely purple wig, our goth makeup for today is done. So please notice the necklace and the earrings that Eva chose with this makeup, and don't forget the nose ring. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.